Are we obsessing over this bridal look? I would call this a neutral glam. It is a little over the top, but I wanted to show you guys what this looks like outdoors in a professional photo and what it looks like just filming on a regular camera. So I'm actually using my iPhone to film this video for you guys. And so we're just putting a little bit of dark brown, a little bit of black eyeshadow, and we're smoking that out and pulling it into her crease a little bit. Then I'm going to pop on a little bit of a shimmer shadow and then blend the two together. You guys, this is a super simple eyeshadow look. It's just about executing the right color combination and blending it perfectly. So this takes time. We're using a little bit of liquid foundation to buff out and even the skin tone, and a little bit of liquid concealer as well. And the reason I'm using liquid for both, they're going to blend seamlessly together, and it's just going to look really soft and elegant. So it gives her a natural, soft, contoured effect, and you don't get that crazy harsh line. So we are using liquid concealer as well, and a very, very fine, soft setting powder. We're also using a powdered blush. I just like the way that they work together. And I'm using a gel cream eyeliner. I just love the way this looks. You can smoke it out and really soften it. And obviously, we've got to have some mascara, and I love a good lash. Even though this is a mink lash, they're very comfortable and they're lightweight, so your client's not going to feel crazy or you're not going to feel like you have a spider on your face. We're just popping on a really soft nude pink lip, and then we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I made it look easy. Girl, bye. Look at this hair. It's gorgeous.